Good day, my name is Boris Garbus, and today I want to speak about the test on fly program, how possible to use GPIB port, and I also build some example of the test. Okay, let's start. We can open test on fly. Let's choose some directory. Now first of all I want to use something that I have program. For example, I take it, I put it down, and now I can use here what I need. I don't need to connect to ports. I will delete this, but this is what I need. Today I want to work with the power supply 1613A, and this is exactly command that I need to use. Let's do some changes. What I want to build till the end of my lesson, I want to build some tests that we can check what is the power we have on the card. And how we can do this, we will try to change voltage from 15 volts to maybe 16, 17 and to check current and voltage that need card, and after this we will try to make power result for power and build Excel file for this one. Let's start. First of all, let's check that it is work our power supply. Let's power supply have a address 15, and now I see that it's working. On the next test I want to read something from from the fluke. Let's do read from GPIB. Let's find this. Read from GPIB. Where is this? Oh, we have it, but I need to work with port number 8. First of all, I want to read what is the device, and after this value, but I want to put my my fluke in the mode that he can read current and voltage together. Let's go to equipment list, fluke, and we'll try to see how we can do this. AC plus DC, that's not so what I need. Oh, I see this one. Maybe such way. Let's check it. I will send here right to GPIB this command, and after this to read value. Let's check how it's working. Okay, it's check a voltage. It look like that it's not the command that I need. Voltage DC, voltage DC, and current DC. Exactly. Let's go to this once more. Find something. Maybe this DC current. It's not. Voltage, DC voltage. It's not what I need. Okay, I will do it myself with the help of buttons or the fluke, because I have no time to find all of what I need. Okay, I'm ready. Let's check. I will don't need this one. Oh, now we have it the voltage and the current from my fluke. The next test we don't need to do nothing. We don't need any additional test. We need to rename test. What we have that on the first time we put our voltage power supply 15 volt, and on the next test we check what voltage and what current we have. Okay, and on the first and on the third test, what I want to do, I want to get power, but for this one we need to get information from test number 2. How we can get it? Let's do this. We open get and check value. We need to write that this is a port A, and how we can find full information. We can find it in a different way. First of all, we can find let's take this one word and we can build example. This we don't need. We can put here look. Okay, it will find look, and we will need to use maybe 5 tests only, 5 lines. And let's build our test. Here we have test, and let's check what we have. Now you can see that we need to work with line number 3. We need to let's take information from line number 3. Okay, we need to take information about the voltage. First of all, let's take it. Voltage we can find before something like this one. Let's read. Oh, we have information about the voltage here. And next step, we also need to take information from line 3, but we want to get current after such symbol. Okay, we have it. Now I can delete all what I don't need. It's enough for me. And I want also to say that now, because I need to use in future these results, because I want to get the power, I need to put it to variables. Let's do this. Let's choose variable number 3, number 4, and here we can choose variable number 5. It means that information about voltage will be in variables number 4, and information about current will be in variables number 5. Let's do this. I click on result, and now I can see what has happened. I can go to variables and I see that there is a value. Okay, it's good. Next step, what I want to do, I want also to add here the variable name. This is a global name such as we can use, and after this we can use different possibility to get a power. Let's first of all go to test number 2, and here we can simply write that current no, let's start from voltage. Voltage is the VLT, the current is current, and power is PR. This is equal. Okay, what we have, let's take this information and put it on the same table and the same variables, but the name of the global's name. Let's add additional information here. We can put it in such way. From panel B, let's take it from panel B. Okay, from panel B. Now we can find after this one. Okay, do we have something? No, we have not. We have no. Why we have no? This is a B. Okay, voltage, it's okay. Because here we have we use only 2 lines. Let's do once more. Oh, now we have it. Now we add additional test. Okay, additional test. Excuse me, B, and also once more. And here we can put current. Here we can put power. Okay. Now voltage. This is a voltage we can write here in the variable's name, global, and this is we can write current in variable's name, this one, and this is the power. Oh, I don't want to have this. Okay, yes, it's good. Current and power I want to put on the variables number 5, 6, variable 6. This will be global name. Here is 5. Okay, let's check what we have. We have 3 parameters, and if you go to the test builder, you can see that now we have a variable name, global name, and the result of the globals. No name and result. Now we have power and result. Now let's do the test number 3. What will be on test number 3? We need to do calculation. How we can do this? We can use something like this one. Don't use anything, but we can write here that the power it's var number 4, and this is multiplied var number 5. Okay, and if we let's check how it's work. Now we have information about the what power we have. Let's take it, this information. Let's take this information. We want to get about power from panel A. Let's see what we have. Okay, we have it. That means that 3 tests. We built all 3 tests. Let's check how it's working. We can start it. First of all, we put voltage 15 volts. After this, we get information, and we get also the name of the global variables. On the last test we have power calculation for power. Okay, on the next test, test number 4, I want to have full information for three parameters: voltage, current, and power. Let's do this. We can add test number 3. This we give name result. Let's give result, and result, it will be in such way. This is okay. We can write here that it is current value, so we can take it as var hat 1 var 1. Okay, voltage value, let's control C. Wow, current value is this last var mesh. Okay, voltage value var 4, and we have also power value. It's equal to var 6. Let's check how it's working. We can click here. We don't need to do this. I don't know. This is, I will clear it and then send it. Oh, what is this? We have no information about the power. Why we have no information? Because we don't put it to the variables. Let's put it to variables numbers 6 exactly. And now we put it. You can see that I put it here. Okay, all information. And now on the our last test we can choose it. Oh, now we have full information. In order to have this information in the Excel file, we need to get information from here. How we can do this? We can do this very simple. This A. Okay, can find information. So this one can find information after this one. Okay, result. This is the result. Okay, that means that now we have full information on the one sheet. And let's give the name of the difference. For example, this is set voltage test. This test number not set voltage, set voltage, it will be here. Set voltage. After this, read voltage voltage and current. After this will be test calculate result. Oh, calculate power. Okay, and next test will be result, full result. No, will be a result. Okay, now we have for test, and let's see what we can do. We want to now to change information. We want to change information. Let's go to the test builder. We will clear all, clear table. And now what we want to do, I will also clear his all variables, because it's not good when we have some variables, because when we add additional test we will have a problem. Now I am copy all, and what I want to change here, I want to change here as to put as variables from instead of 15 volts, I will want to put 15 2 volts, and after this change to 54 and so on. And let add additional tests. For example, maybe 10 tests we will do additional test for our testing. Let's do this. We click here. Now what we have that we have next that when we set voltage, we set it to 70 volts. Okay, I want to check what voltage I set. Every test you can see this with the same name. You can click here and you can see how voltage is changed. You can see that it's changed plus 2 volts. Okay, and this is what we need. But what we don't need, we have here is information. Instead of what we need, we have symbol questions. Let's delete it. How can we delete in such way? Okay, the same was with the variables number 5. We also change it, and also the same variable with number 6 also change. Now we have full information. You can see that this is a full information, and it look like good. This is finished, I think. Let's start and let's check how it's working. Okay. I try to explain once more what we are doing. First of all, I have connection. I used power supply 1613A, and this is a command, find command what I need to use. This is a command. I can set voltage and current maximum that give power supply. After this, I check what current and voltage I have really with the help of Look 45. After this, I change voltage on the power supply plus 2 volts, and I do it once more and once more till the voltage 17 volts. This is a voltage that card need to work. And after this, I want to get full information in the Excel file. Now you can see it's working. I want to have full information in Excel file about the power that I have on the card when I have different voltage, input voltage. Let's wait, it's not a lot of time. Okay, I think that maybe it's possible to stop program. Okay, let's stop it. Okay, I will delete all what I don't need. It will be shorter, it will be little bit shorter. I don't delete when I need. Okay, not so critically. Now I try to check what I have saved to Excel. I give any name, and I will try to understand what I'm doing, what I'm making. Here's what I have. As you can see, we have calculated power. We have, because we have such test, calculated power. You can see this calculated power. This is calculated power, and we have information here in this table. Also, we get it here. After this read voltage and current, we can see that there is voltage and current, but on result we need to have full information. Here is this full information. Okay. What I want to do, maybe I want to build test. For example, if I want to build some graph, maybe. Okay, maybe it's not so interesting, but I see that there is some changes here. Okay, we have full information. And what I have forgot to say, that I don't do one things. I forget to show you that instead of variables, variables 4, so I can use a little bit another. For example, instead of this one, I can use the voltage. I don't remember how we can write it. Let's check in our variables voltage. Okay, this is variable voltage. I can put it here. This variable current, if I put it here, okay, and this variant power, I can put it here. I can put it where I can put it here. Okay, now if I have written global variables, the name, and now if I send this test, I will have exactly the same result. You can see that instead of variables hash, I used VLT voltage variable, and I get the same result as here. I used also current, and I get exact result as was in the current value. And also I get PWR. I also get the same variable. That in your calculation you can use also global names to do some mathematical function. Okay, this is all what I want to explain. Thank you very much, and best regards.